got it in the mail today. I signed up the very minute that COVID-19 tests.gov was live. Link in the description box if you want your own. But here we go. Here is the unboxing. There's only 2 boxes, but there's 2 tests per box, so I guess that's my 4 tests. And this is what it looks like. And there's contents right there. There's this. You guys can pause that and read it if you want. Let me, there. That looks like you could probably read that. It says to scan the QR code to download the app on my smartphone so that I can use it. It's got some other instructions, and that's it. And yeah, this is a sealed box and says, you know, don't use in the aid as an aid in the diagnosis of COVID-19. Okay. That's exactly that's weird, because that's exactly what I plan to do if I ever come into contact with COVID-19 and have some symptoms. But I'm not going to open it. I'm going to leave this seal intact until I actually have some symptoms and feel like I have come into contact with COVID-19. But yeah, it was free and easy. Link in the description box to get some tests for yourself, and hopefully you don't see another unboxing video from me about this stuff. But when it happens, I will go ahead and make the follow-up video.